Dear students, today we shall study past perfect continuous tense. Yesterday, when we studied present perfect continuous, I told you where we are to use since and where to for, and that same process is to be kept in mind. And here in past perfect continuous tense, at the end of the Hindi sentence, the words like रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे are used. And as I have told you earlier, the time is also mentioned there. The same thing is there. Here, let's read the sentence. मोहन 2 दिन से गणित पढ़ रहा था. And this रहा था indicates that the sentence is in past perfect continuous. So now, let's translate this sentence. Mohan had been studying maths for 2 days. Why I have used for, that is in your mind already, because we discussed this matter yesterday. And now note down the rule in affirmative sentence: subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for as required and plus term. So you have to keep in your mind, in past perfect continuous tense, helping verb had been is used, while in present perfect continuous has been or have been is used. But here we are to use had been. Now note down the rule: subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. And now let's continue and come to the negative sentences. गीता सोमवार से स्कूल नहीं जा रही थी. नहीं, this नहीं indicates that the sentence is in negative. Geeta had not been going to school since Monday. And here since is used because Monday is used, although you know this thing already. And now note down the rule of negative sentence. Subject, as Geeta is the subject, and then had, helping verb, plus not. Not is to be used just after had, and been will be used after not. Plus not, plus been, plus verb plus ing, plus object, and then since or for, plus time. So I think you have noted the rule of negative. And now come to interrogative A. क्या वे 2 बजे से क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? The sentence begins with the word kya, and that's why it is in interrogative A. And so translate it: had they been playing cricket since 2 o'clock? And again, you should understand that since is used because o'clock is used. It means o'clock is the point of time. So 2 o'clock is the point of time, and that's why we have used since. And now note down the rule: had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. As you already know that a question mark is a must at the end of the interrogative sentence. Okay, you have noted down the rule of interrogative A. And now let's go forward. Interrogative B. तुम 3 घंटे से क्या कर रहे थे? So here this kya indicates that the sentence is in interrogative B. And now let's translate this sentence. Kya is what in English? What had you been doing for 3 hours? And here again you should understand 3 hours. That is the period of time, and that's why we have used for. And now note down the rule of interrogative B. First of all, question word plus had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Okay, and now you are to note down some sentences for your practice. Number 1, गीता 2 घंटे से गुड़ियों से खेल रही थी. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, मिस्टर शर्मा 5 दिन से विद्यालय नहीं आ रहे थे. मिस्टर शर्मा 5 दिन से विद्यालय नहीं आ रहे थे. नेक्स्ट, क्या रामलाल सुबह से पेड़ों में पानी लगा रहा था? क्या रामलाल सुबह से पेड़ों में पानी लगा रहा था? पानी लगाने के लिए वाटर वर्ब का प्रयोग करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, हरिओम 5 दिन से कहाँ रह रहा था। हरिओम 5 दिन से कहाँ रह रहा था। नेक्स्ट, बच्चे मैदान में दो घंटे से खेल रहे थे। बच्चे 2 घंटे से मैदान में खेल रहे थे। ओके, you are to keep in your mind the thing that time as well as रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे are words given in the Hindi sentence, and then you can understand in which tense such sentence is to be translated. And tomorrow we shall study future perfect continuous tense. Okay, thank you.